guys, thanks for tuning in, and my name is Kayla. I just started my YouTube channel not too long ago, and this is the look that I am going to be doing today. If you want to see how I created this look, just keep on watching. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to do a video on like my everyday glam looks. I just wanted to say thank you to everyone who has viewed my channel. I just hope that my viewers can turn into subscribers and we can be besties. Like literally, I am a down-to-earth person, but I'm very sweet and very nice. So I hope that I build like a strong relationship with you guys. If you feel like you wanted to see something in another video, leave a comment down below and I will definitely make that video. Right now what I'm gonna do, I already did my eyebrows. I'm just gonna like add concealer on, which I always do. I always add concealer on first, and this is my LA Girls Pro Concealer, and like I said, I mix these two together, so like it's a nice coverage for the money. It is. I actually just use a angle brush and I just mix those two together like so. And if you wanted to see me do my eyebrows, I have another tutorial. I'm from Michigan. I'm 21. I do not go to school, but I do work full-time. What made me start my YouTube channel has always been a dream of mine, and I've always been big on makeup. Like I've always been into makeup, but I never actually did it up until now. Like I never actually wanted to do makeup up until now. And then this that I'm using right here, this is the Real Techniques beauty blender. And then I seen that girls were making like YouTube channels to show other girls how to do makeup. I was like, yo, this is something that I would love to do. And then also I don't know, like a couple girls inspired me. To do it. And I was like, you know what, let me just go ahead and just make my own channel, because I feel like I'm good at what I do. I don't do anyone else's makeup other than my family, my friends. I don't really, like, I don't even charge them to do makeup because it's something that I love to do, and it's something that I don't do often for other people, because I mean, I have a full-time job. This is not something that I do all the time, where I'll put makeup on other people. I just do my own makeup all the time. So, and then after that, what I do is I just add on my foundation, and I already went in kind of and moisturized my face, but that was this morning. I didn't prime or anything, guys. I'm so sorry. I didn't show that to you. This is really great. I would suggest that you go out and buy this. I love the coverage. It is amazing. And I love it so much. So what I do is I just add it on like this. I'm just going to use my beauty blender, and it's wet, like it's damp. Just make sure that it is damp. You can buy these from your local Ulta Beauty or Sephora, or you can go online and buy it from them. I'm gonna go in with this to highlight my face first. And it's the light ivory. is I'm going to go in with my contour. Blend it out. Just dabbing. I am not rubbing. I'm not doing anything else but dabbing. And then these ends here, I'm just gonna go upwards. I'm just gonna blend upwards. So now I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna set everywhere. I'm just gonna go here. Then the lower Mercier, I don't know. This will, in order to get everything out, you wanna turn it upside down, shake it, and shake it this way. And this sponge, you can get it from like the dollar store, Family Dollar, I think Dollar Tree, Walmart, anywhere really. Yeah. And you just want to apply it. Try to apply it evenly. And then I'm gonna use a brush like this, and this is a Wet n Wild brush. I got this for $1 too. It's a contour brush. This is my Wet n Wild contouring palette, and this is in the color Caramel Toffee. And I'm just gonna take this brush, this Wet n Wild brush. I'm just gonna dust the excess off and just put it here. And I'm gonna set my nose too. A blending brush. Okay, and then now I'm just gonna take a powder brush, and this is a Wet n Wild powder brush. Brush everything off. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my NARS Caramel Radiant Creamy Concealer. Shade. I'm just gonna the Cypress Umber, and I'm gonna use that on the outer corner. And I'm lightly putting this on here. Like very, very lightly. Very lightly. Y'all see that? No, I'm gonna use Primavera. And I think I'm so I'm gonna use Tarte, the blush, and it's in the color Feisty. And I'm just gonna add that to the apples of my cheeks, and I'm just rolling it around in here. Guys, I'm gonna highlight with this. It's by NOMAD, and it's in the color Midnight Sun. And I'm going to use a glazed highlighter, and it's by MERCIER, and it's lipstick, I'm gonna use NYX Lingerie, and then I'm actually gonna add a gloss to that. And I'm just gonna outline my eyelid. I'm using, it's called Matte Finish by NYX or NYX. I don't know what you guys call it. I call it NYX all the time. But I'm just closing my eyes and just spray. The lip gloss that I use, it's called Lip Injection in the Extreme Kind by Too Faced. This is the final look, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and click the button next to the subscribe button, or click the bell next to the subscribe button, and make sure you see my latest videos on Wednesdays. Guaranteed I will put up a video, but throughout the week I may put up a video too. Just let me know what you would like to see in my next video, when you would like to see my next video, and things like that, and I will definitely make it happen for you. But yeah, thank you so much.